kayo. Siyempre, after this song, si Gabo yung mag-blow ng kanyang mga candles. Okay? So, okay ba yung kids? Get ready to sing?
Walang pipiling kayo yung mga anak.
Ganun talaga.
Practice mo yan, o. Isa pa.
Ayan, side mo lang si Gabo. Get ready to sing?
Saan tayo mamaya? Mamaya, saan? Ha? Mamaya?
Yes, Archie. Love mo.
Okay, ready? Sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Let's clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, malapit na birthday mo ah. Malapit na birthday mo. Muntik na ako madulas kagabi. Sabi ko sa anak ka na Archie. Okay na ba doon? Kailan? Saan ba nila si Mari?
And the 1, 2, 3.
Bakit?
1, 2, 3. One more.
Sino?
Okay. So, mami
Kailan?
nakita mo na magandang shoot. Okay,
Patay
so
na.
this time,
Tagal pa naman.
let's all listen for the
Hello.
wishes of the proud parents of Gabo, Mommy and Daddy. Your wishes ko for your son.
Ito yung may mga ito mag-aasawa na. Yes! Nakapanood tayo sa buong mundo, Brad.
Alam ka naman ba yan?
Sana wish ko mapagtapos ko siya.